Hello and welcome to this video tutorial designed to help you learn how to add events into your Rover account. I'm James Andurette, Regional Trainer for Emergency Reporting, and I will be walking you through the steps of adding an event. Once you have signed into your Rover Portal, begin by clicking the Events tab at the top of the page. Once you have landed on the Events page, you'll notice in the upper right-hand corner of the calendar, there's a group of icons there. In the middle of that group is a blue plus sign. When adding an event, click on the blue plus sign. If you need to expand it out to get a better view of it, click the two arrows in the upper right hand corner. Come in, you can title your event. You can choose to make it either an all-day event or set a start and end date and time. In this case, we will set the date. We will set a certain start time. And then we will carry over to the finish time. We can select an importance level between low, normal, and high. We can select a category or location, and you will be listed as the owner if you're the one creating the event. You can choose to use either the rich text editor or the basic text box to enter a description of the event. You can enter your information here. If you want to allow enrollment for your personnel, come in, go to Advanced Settings. From here, you can send reminders. You can select to send or generate an email at a certain time frame. You can select from minutes, hours, or days prior to the event. In this case, we'll leave it set for 8 hours. The email will come to them via no-reply@spotteddog.com. For the email subject, you can enter information in here. Anything you would like in the body of the email, you can come in. Coming down here, you can display an image for the event. You can make this a recurring event. And this is where you would select to allow enrollment. I will demonstrate for you here shortly on how they can enroll from their app. Once you're done, once you have set all the information for your event, come down, hit update, and create your event. You will notice on the calendar, if you want the details for your event, just simply click on the hyperlink involved, and it'll bring up all the information that you have entered in. To demonstrate how members would enroll to this event from their app, I'm going to bring up my app on the screen now. Once the users are in their app, they can come over to the menu list in the upper right-hand corner. They come down to Schedules. You will see the event listed right here. Come in, select the event, register for the event, and now you will notice that there's one person registered for the event. As people register themselves, you will see that number grow. When you come back and you look at the event on the calendar, if you open it, it will also give you a list right here of who all has enrolled themselves for the class. At any given time, if you wish to remove yourself, you can unregister from the event using the same process. This concludes this video. As always, thank you for being a Rover customer, and thank you for being an emergency reporting customer, and have a great day.